Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Look at this Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6. Now it's a HSE. It's got the luxury pack. It's automatic, it's 4-wheel drive. Basically it's top of the range. Now 2014, 81,000 miles. Look at that colour. That's not Firenze red. That's Montalcino red or Monte Carlo red. Rare, darker red. Beautiful colour. Looks like it's got a bit of a black pack. It's a luxury. So black grille, black vents, black mirror backs, and some expensive quality side steps being fitted. Real tough ones. You can jump up and down on them. Price of this thing, £18,995. Big spec, great history, cam belt replaced, 11 services, 10 services by the main dealer, including the cam belt. Won't find a better one. 2 keys. So, Pirelli Scorpion tyres, those lovely big mint gloss black alloys, 20-inch wheels, surround cameras, front cameras, side cameras, rear cameras, that black grille with the red border, daytime running lights. It's got new brakes on it. It's just been serviced. It's had the cam belt done. It's got beautiful service history. What more can you want? Don't know whether we've got the swan neck for the tow bar, but it definitely has a tow bar and some, I would say, yeah, and some electrics fitted. Whether we have the swan neck, I will check. HSE luxury badge on the back, privacy glass, black roof rails, Pirelli Scorpions, mint wheels, new disc and pads, lovely tough coated side steps. They are the best I've seen. Mint wheel, Pirelli Scorpion, beautiful tyre. Inside, keyless entry, black door handles, black gloss black on the outside, black mirror backs. Inside, black leather, heated armrests, sunroofs, heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, heated leather steering wheel, obviously multi-function steering wheel, television. There you go, TV's on at the moment. We're watching CBBS. Lovely. We have got some mats for it. It's got the wind deflectors on the mirrors as well. Rear entertainment. There you go, CBBS is on. 7 seats, obviously. 7 seats. Black leather. Tow bar down there that says Land Rover on it. Reverse camera under there. HSE Luxury. Twin sunroofs. Nice and clean in there. Beautiful looking car. Great colour this. Nice big rear Land Rover mud flaps. Front mud flaps. Another immaculate gloss black alloy wheel, new discs, plenty of tread on the Pirelli Scorpion tyre. Meridian Hi-Fi, folding mirrors, electric mirrors. In there is your heated steering wheel button. 81,400 miles. Surround camera, reverse cameras, heated seats, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. No wear on the driver's seat. Drives beautifully. Remember, 11 services, 10 of them by Land Rover main dealer. What a thing, just serviced and ready to go. MOT, 30th of the 6th, 25. I think we may have done a new MOT, but anyway. Lovely Discovery 4, Monte Carlo red. Got to be one of the best colours out there with a black pack on it. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. We'll probably have more than one Disco 4. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.